Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial of preparing a new experiment, and this experiment is called the Screaming Jelly Baby. Right, so for the Screaming Jelly Baby you would require a clamp stand, a boiling tube, make sure it's a boiling tube, okay, because you cannot do it in a test tube, torch, the chemical required are potassium chlorate, okay, which is KClO3, spatula, forceps, some jelly babies. I'm using the teddy jellies in here, was Screaming Jelly Babies in there, and some glucose powder. Okay, so this is just a glucose powder because obviously the jelly is having the sugar content, but I just want to hold it with my forceps, make it a little wet, okay, just to make it little moisturized, okay, like that, and then place it on my glucose powder just to cover it or coat it with glucose. You can see like that, because that would give me a really cute, quite nice Screaming Jelly Baby sound. So that's what you can do. You can also go with a simple one without coating, but I prefer the coating one because it's going to give them more nice effect on it. Okay, so these are the equipment required. So let me set it up in a fumes cupboard, because you need to do it in an open air or in a fume cupboard. Once it's done, let me show you how does it look like. Right, as you can see, we have set up the apparatus in here. It's in a fumes cupboard as always, and this is your clamp stand onto which I have held the boiling tube. I have added a spoon or half a teaspoon of potassium chlorate in it. It's not a specific measurement. You can add more, but I prefer to add it in a very, because it's a small area in a fumes cupboard. So I've added like around half a spoon of it again with potassium chlorate, and we have our jelly baby ready over here. Our next step is to heat up the potassium chlorate till it turns liquid. Once it has turned liquid, I will be placing my jelly baby directly into it and observing the effect of it. So let me just start heating it and show you how does it look like. And melt the potassium chlorate. So I'm providing my heat with the torch here.
Close this one.
We will wait for it to melt completely and then provide as you can see, it's melting. I'm just waiting for it to melt completely. Once it has come to a point of complete melting, now we will switch off the lights and observe the Screaming Jelly Baby's effect. So I'm gonna hold it very carefully with the tongue, and we are going to place it in. Okay? Did you start?
Yes.
So this is your experiment for the Screaming Jelly Baby. The fumes are beautiful, but it's toxic. That's the reason we use the fume cupboards. You can do it in an open air or in a fume cupboard. Thank you for watching the video.